The poor shape of the Kwame Danso main market in the Sene West district of the Bono East region is negatively affecting general trading activities in the area. Traders here say the bad state of the marketplace is leaving them stranded during rainy days, making them uncomfortable in running their trades. Madame Rose Bribe is the market queen mother. She says the situation is adversely affecting trading activities here.
The
market is filled with water whenever it rains, and there are no shelves to keep our yams in during sunny days too. Another worrying thing is the bad state of our feeder roads. The cultivated yams do not get here on time due to its bad nature. Osama Mohammed tells me that when it rains heavily, the market is moved to a different location as buyers do not visit the market due to its muddy nature. We wouldn't have been able to hold our trading activity here if it had rained this morning. We'll have to move to a different location because no buyer will step in this mud to buy yams. Malam Isa Mohammed on his part raised concerns about government's failure to establish a yam factory in the area despite promises to do so prior to the 2016 general elections. The government promised to establish a factory to solve the problems of the farmers here as well as support us with buyers. We are doing our bit as farmers, but the suppliers are not coming. And the fertilizers we use on our farms too are very expensive now, and we can't even buy them. The market center has no water system, and the absence of a proper lighting system means trading activities cannot continue at night. The absence of lights here is worrying, and when it's getting darker, we can't continue with our trading activities. Usually between 4:30 and 5, we'll have to start leaving for fear of being robbed before we get home. The terrible nature of the road networks linking the market center to nearby farming communities is also affecting trading activities here, as armed robbers take advantage of the situation to rob traders en route to the market. Our road is bad, and as a result, buyers do not come here as they used to. And due to this, armed robbers are attacking us always, and this is so rare. Due to the bad state of our roads, our customers now buy from the Atebubu market because they sometimes spend 3 to 4 days here because there are no cars. And by the time they get back, the yams go bad and they run out close and don't return again. They say despite the insanitary conditions of the market, the assembly has neglected them, even though they still show up to collect market tolls. We've been paying all the market tolls to the assembly, but as you can see, there is no single development here in this market. They are therefore appealing to district authorities to come to their aid by helping improve the structures at the market to help end their long sufferings. Anna Sabit, Joy News, Kwame Danso.